How to edit top quality videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the CapCut application on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the New Project button. This will open your phone's media library. Select the video clip you want to edit and tap on the Add button at the bottom. Your video will be imported into the editor. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. From the toolbar at the bottom, tap on Animations. Choose an animation, such as Fade In, and tap the checkmark to apply it. Now, go back and tap on Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the options and select an effect you like, then tap on the checkmark. You can also add a filter by tapping on the Filters option from the main toolbar. Select a filter and tap on the checkmark again to apply it to your video. To add text, tap on the Text tool from the main menu, then select Add Text. Here, type in your text. You can customize the font, style, and animation. Once you are happy with your edits, tap on the Export button in the top right corner to save your video. Following these steps, you can easily edit top quality videos on an iPhone.